Then, okay, na? So it is what then. Now to display the data from what's it? Multiple tables. Okay, then for example, one table is there, orders table. So this table stores orders data. This table stores customers data. One table stores orders placed by customer. One table stores customer details. Then, so, but I want to know order details with customer details. But order details are stored in one table, customer details are stored in separate table. But I want to show, I want order details with customer details. So this is the order details. This is customer details. I want to combine these two rows into one row. To combine these two rows into one row, then join. Okay, now? So I want to combine these two rows into one row. This row belongs to orders. This row belongs to customer. I want to combine this orders row with customer row. Then join. Okay. Then. So if you give this output to delivery boy, now easily can deliver the order to the customer. So he knows this is the order. This order should be delivered to customer 10. His name is A. His address is what? HY. This is the order. This order should be delivered to customer 11. His name is B. His address is HYD. Like this. Okay. Then next. What are the different types of joins? We can join the two tables in different ways. What are the different types? One is what? Equi-join. Okay. One is equi-join. Equi-join is what? Sorry. Inner join. Okay, na? Let's say what? Inner join. Inner join is different types. One is equi-join. Next, non-equi-join. Next, self-join. Inner join. Equi-join, non-equi-join, self-join. What the next one is? Outer join. Outer join is left left join. Next one, right join. Next one, full join. Next. What are the next one? Cross join. Next one, Cartesian join. That's three types mainly. Inner, non-equi, self. Outer, left, right, full. Next, cross join or Cartesian join. Different types of joins. Okay, now? Then. But most important is equi-join plus what's it? Equi. Equi plus what? Outer. A maximum in real time. You come across what? Equi-join and outer join. Sometimes what? Self-join also. But non-equi-join, cross-join, rare cases. But most common is equi and outer and self. Okay, now? Then. Okay. Next. Let's first start with what? Equi-join. But equi-join or non-equi or self or outer, anything. But what is the purpose? Getting the data from multiple tables. That is equi or outer, but getting the data from multiple tables. But different scenarios, you perform different joins. So we have to know when we equi-join, when outer join, when non-equi, when self-join. Okay, then. So different conditions, you perform different joins. First, first start with what? Equi-join. So to perform equi-join, between the two tables, there must be a common field. To perform equi-join, between the two tables, there must be a common field. So between these two tables, there must be a common field. If common field is there, equijoin is possible. If common field is not there, equijoin is not possible. So can you perform equijoin between these two tables? Can you perform equijoin between these two tables? Yes. Are these two tables sharing a common field? Yes. What is the common field? Customer ID. Okay, na? Then. So these two tables sharing a common field. So equijoin is possible. Then. So in this table, the field name is cust ID. Here the field name is cust ID. Can you perform equijoin between these two tables? Yes or no? Huh? Can you perform equijoin between these two tables? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Common field is there? Yes. What is the common field? Customer ID. Common field is customer ID. Common means it's not based on name. It is based on data. Okay, na? Not based on name, based on data. What data stored here? Customer IDs. What data stored here? Customer IDs. So it is common. Understood? Common means it's not based on name, it is based on data. Okay, na? Then both fields storing customer IDs. It is common. Whether the names are same or not same or secondary. Okay, then. So next. So then equi join is performed between the tables sharing a what's it? Common field. Equijoin is performed between the tables sharing a common field. Okay, then. Now, next, name of the common field name of the common field must be same or need not to be same. Need not to be same. Okay, can be same or can be different also. Then, but what should be same? Huh? Common field, what's that? Data type must be same. Common field what? Data type must be same. Then, sorry, here, data type must be same. If this is integer, it must be integer. If this is varchar, it must be varchar. If it is date, it must be date. So what should be same? Common field data type must be same. Then, so based on the common field name need not to be same, and so that common field what's that? Data type must be same. That means we can say like this: what equi join is performed based on the what? Based on the common field with same data type. Based on the common field with same data type. That's okay now. Then how to write the query? Okay, how to write the query? You write the query like this. How to write a join query? Okay, now then select what? Columns. Select columns from what? Table 1. Table 1. Next, what's it? Inner join. Table 2. What is the meaning? You're performing join between these two tables. Table 1 is joined with table 2. Joining these two tables. But joining the two tables, then what's it? On what join condition? So joining the two tables based on this condition. Okay, no? Then joining the two tables based on this condition. Then what is most important in joins is the join condition is important. What is most important is join condition. The join condition is most important. Okay, then now let's see what is join condition. What is this is called? Keywords. What is this is called? Keywords. What is this is called? This is called class. What this is called? Class, on class. Up to now we use it now. We use it different classes. What the class we use it? Where class, group by, order by, having. Yes, we use it different clauses. Yes and no. Okay, na? Like that. So then there is one more class. What is this class? On class. On class is for join. On is for join. Okay, then. Sir, what is the join condition? What is the join condition? Okay, then. See, like, sir, this is the customer. This is the order. This is the order. The row belongs to order table. This row should be joined with which customer? Sorry, what is your aim is? My aim is give order details with customer details. To the delivery boy, give order details with customer details. Then delivery will be easy. Delivering the product will be easy for that. Delivery boy. So order details with customer details. So this is the order details, and this is to be delivered to customer 10. But customer details, how to get the customer 10 details? Customer details, how to get the customer 10 details? Okay, na? Then you want to show order details with customer details, yes or no? Okay, na? They're there in two different rows, na? They're there in what's it? Two different rows. Then combine these two rows into one row, then give it to the delivery boy. Now easily can deliver. You understood? Then order details with customer details. So join this row with this row. Then and this is the order to be delivered to customer 11. Join this row with this row. Then you'll get customer 11 details. And this should be delivered to 12. So join this row with this row. Then you'll get the customer 12 details. Yes. So join this row with this row to this row, this row to this row. Then tell me what is the join condition? Sorry, here once again, here actually, when you want to joining the two tables means what? Joining the two tables means what? Joining the two tables means joining the records of two tables, joining the rows of two tables. Joining the rows, joining the rows of two tables. This the row belongs to order, this the row belongs to customer. You join this row with this row. Joining two tables means joining the rows. But here, how SQL server knows which order should be joined with which customer? How SQL server knows which order should be joined with which customer? How SQL server knows? We have to tell. We have to tell SQL server, join this order with this customer. Join this order with this customer. We must tell SQL server. How to tell SQL server? In the form of join condition. Giving join condition means telling SQL server that which order should be joined to which customer. Okay, na? Giving join condition means telling SQL server that which order should be joined with which customer. Okay, na? Then, so based on this condition, SQL server join the records of two tables. Okay, then, so what is this join condition specifies? Then, okay, so specifies which record of what's it? First table joined with which record of second table. Understood, na? Which record of first table should be joined to which record of second table. So based on the given join condition, SQL server join the records of two tables. Based on your condition, it will join the records. It joins the records according to your condition. Okay, na? Then you must give the condition to SQL server. According to that condition, it will join the records. Then, so then, so tell me, in this example, Okay, na? Tell me, in this example, what is the join condition? Sir, see, these are the two tables. This is the required outputs. You have to find the join condition. That's all. Tables are there. They give the required output. So based on that required output, you have to identify the join condition. So what is the join condition to get the required output? This is the row belongs to orders. This is the row belongs to customer. You have to combine this row with this row. Then what is the join condition? Customer IDs are equal. Customer IDs are equal, then join. So this 10 is equal to this 10. So join this row with this row. This 11 is equal to this 11. Join this row with this row. Yes or no? IDs are equal, then join. Okay. Then what the join condition is? This is the join condition. Table 1 dot what's that? Common field equals to table 2 dot common field. So what common field values you have to compare? Common field values are equal, then join. So yet this is equal to this, na? Then join. This is equal to this, join. This is equal to this, join. So if common field values are equal, then join. Got it? Then now. So why this is called equijoin? Because here join condition is based on what? Equal to. Join condition is based on equal to operator. That's why it is called equijoin. Okay. Then let's take example. Let's take example. Okay, na? I can take this example also, but I have to create the tables. Instead of creating the tables, I do one thing. Then I'll take our tables because these tables are already there. Number, name, salary, what's it? So department table. I'm taking two tables. One table is this, one table is this. So what is this is? Department number, department name, location, employee, what's it? 100, employee name, employee salary, department 10, 101 B, suppose 3000, 20, 102 C, suppose 5000, 30, 103 D, suppose 5000, okay, na 20, 104, suppose E, then this is some 4000 null. Okay, then so let's see. This is what's it? 10. What is the 10th department? Accounts. Suppose accounts department. Next one, 20. 20 is what's it? Research. 30. Suppose sales. 40. Suppose what? Something. Operations. So there are two tables. One table is employees table. One table is department table. I want to join these two tables because I want to display this one. What I want to display? Number, what's that? Name, salary, next one, D name, next. Okay, now location. I want to display these outputs. So if you see this, number, name, salary belongs to EMP table. D name and location belongs to department table. So that data belongs to two tables. These three fields belongs to EMP, no? These two fields belongs to department table. So join these two tables. Okay, na? Then you want a row. The row consists of three values from EMP, two values from department. This row consists of how many values? 5. 3 values from EMP, 2 values from department. Suppose location. Let's say location is what's it? New York location, something. Okay, now? So tell me how to write the query. This is the output is asking then. But whatever the output is asking, it is not there in one table. It is there in two tables. Join this. Then what? Select EMP, NO, E name, salary. Whatever is asking, write that fields. Whatever the fields is asking to display,